Okay, so we have already learned how to add text to our website. We've learned how to change the title of our pages, and we've learned how to add pictures, whether strictly by picture with the title, a picture alone and adding a title separate, and then in columns as well, and even adding text to those columns. The last item that I just want to go ahead and show you under these intermediate lessons is to add a divider by having some form of a separation between what you will be adding to your website, whether it's looking at the text and you want to have a way to differentiate between above text and below text if you don't want to use it as the colors, or if you want to differentiate between different pictures if you're adding pictures. There's so much that you could do with this. So what you want to do is the divider is found somewhere different. It's under More, and it's listed right here as a divider. Again, it's so simple, just drag and drop. So now I have a separation between the top and the bottom section here. You'll also notice this too has editing features. You can change the type if you want it to be a large space above or below. Right now it's on medium, that's the default. But the large, you notice how the gap is created. Or if you want it really, if you don't want any gap, if you want the width to be very thin, just change it down. Publish, and you could see how this looks as well. Go to the pictures, and there you go. This is nice if you want to have a true separation between titles or topics, especially if you were doing periods for your classes and you want the top section to be math and the bottom section to be science, or if you want it for each classes and they know they could just look at the top, or they could look at the bottom or the middle, or however many dividers that you want to add, and they could scroll down accordingly. You could also go back and do it to your section for writing and have that as well, and it'll be the same type of a look. Now I didn't make any changes there, so that's the defaulted line. As you could see, the gap is where you make a big difference of what it looks like. No gap, defaulted medium gap. So now you can have fun with adding your pictures, your text, your columns, as well as the dividers. Next time we review some videos, we'll have an advanced version of looking at more tutorial lessons of how to add better looking features in order to take your website to the next level, such as looking at buttons as well as adding videos with the HTML embedding code. I will have the website looking a little bit different because I'm going ahead and edit my home page as well as the pictures and my titles for the pages. So when we look at this once again, it will be a little different, but all the same concepts will be there for what we have already learned how to do. Enjoy!